Learn from Warren Buffett how to become rich during inflation. People get a bit nervous when they hear about inflation. Many big investors and traders also lose money during inflation. They cannot understand how to sustain an income in times of inflation. Only an experienced person can show you how to earn and be rich even during inflation. And even that experienced person is one of the wealthiest men in the world, Warren Buffett, then there is nothing more to say. Because Warren Buffett is someone who has almost 2 decades of inflation experience. Let's hear some advice and learn from Warren Buffett about how to become rich during inflation. Warren Buffett said, whatever abilities you have can't be taken away from you. They can't be inflated away from you. So the best investment is anything that develops yourself, and it's not taxed at all. Warren Buffett meant that personal skills, unlike the currency, are inflation-proof. If you are a doctor, increase your medical skill, and if you are a teacher, improve your teaching skill. You will get paid regularly for all this skilled work because it is in demand, and the demand for your skills will make you richer even during inflation. Warren Buffett said in a seminar in 2009 that the best thing to do is invest in yourself. Among the things he says about investing in companies during inflation is investing in something good. In this regard, Buffett gave the example of a company like Coca-Cola and said that whether there is inflation or not, people will drink this soft drink for its taste and popularity. As one of the best CEOs of the world's largest companies, he also says that there are 2 things you should notice before investing money in a company during inflation. First, ensure that the company can raise prices relatively quickly even when demand for the product is flat. The capacity is not fully utilized without fear of significant market share or unit volume loss. Second, it can accommodate significant dollar volume growth in business, often generated more by inflation than by real growth through only modest additional capital investment. Finally, the best thing for private investors to remember from Warren Buffett is whether or not we are in an inflationary period. Instead of trying to choose individual stocks, you should own and hold index funds.